Welcome back to Auto Geeks What's in the Garage, and Fred promised us a look at a car he bought brand new. Let's take a look. Well, tell us about this one, Fred.
Well, I bought this thing. I contracted it in Germany, and I was to pick it up in New York. So I bought it in New York, had 75 miles. I left coming to Kingsport, and I've had it ever since.
So this is a 1956 Ford Custom Liner.
Right.
My dad had the Kissin' Cousin. He had a 56 Sunliner. This is all original. You've had this since the day you bought it brand new.
Right.
That's 55 years.
Been a while.
That's a long time to keep just one car, and especially in immaculate condition.
Yeah.
Now, is this how it came, or have you went ahead and restored this at some point?
I've restored it. I let it sit out here in the lot and just about ruined.
Well, let's take a look. All this stainless steel, it's all stainless steel trim. It's all the original trim.
Right.
The pipe pan hubcaps, original hubcaps.
Right. Yeah.
Bumpers, original bumpers. This thing's really complete. I like the style here. Look, for the park lights, you know, they could have just done something mundane, but they have it kind of come out here to peak. It adds a little style to it. Now, this is a V8 model. Can we take a look at the motor?
Yeah.
This is the original motor, right?
Everything on this car is original.
All numbers matching.
Everything.
Wow, look at that. It looks like you put some Thunderbird valve covers on it, kind of dress it up a little bit.
Yeah, that's the dress up.
This is what they call the old oil bath air cleaner.
It is.
Yeah. Now, did this thing have any features like power brakes, power steering, air conditioning?
Nothing but
it's just the base model.
base model.
Yeah.
And I don't drive it as much because it don't have the power steering or the power brakes and
Power steering and power brakes. Look at the dash on this. You know, what's nice about these old cars is they have so much style on the dash. You got a nice gauge layout. This is really nice. A lot of times these horn rings will break right here where they join. They broke off, and this is the original horn ring. It's still intact. You got the AM radio, push button radio still there, and a 3 on the speed. 3 on the three speed on the shifter. Yeah. Yep. I grew up with an old car that had a 3 on the tree.
Now this car originally had that padded dash on it, which was supposedly a safety feature they came up with.
Okay, so you got an accident, you go forward and hit your head.
Right.
You took the padding off and painted it?
Well, you can't get it anymore.
Yeah.
So I just painted the dash.
Oh, it looks good though. Looks real good.
That's the only thing about it. It's not original.
Man, that's solid. That's one thing about these old cars, man. They're built like a tank.
They about.
You know, I noticed over here you got some old number 7 DuPont auto polish and some Shell gas station cleaner polish. I work in the detailing world, and I haven't seen those for years. Those probably go back to the 50s or the 60s.
Yep.
Yeah. Yep. Real popular product in its day.
It worked your butt off getting it.
A lot of elbow grease, right?
Right. And then you had that old Simonized wax, you know, that you used on.
Yep.
Do a small space at a time
and try to wipe that stuff off.
That was all day job.
Yeah, it was. Well, thank you so much, Fred, for sharing your cars with us. We really do appreciate it. You've got a lovely garage. You've got some really nice cars and a couple of project cars.
Yeah, we stay busy with them.
Boy, that Zephyr, that's sweet.
And I enjoy it.
Yeah, that's a nice car. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome, bud. And anytime you want to come around, make yourself home.
Give you a call?
Give me a call.
Okay, sounds good.
Coming up, Mike finds a one-of-a-kind modified Volkswagen Bug.